Hello children, welcome to the 5th summer holiday maths workout. Okay, show me 8 on your fingers. You'll need 2 hands. And now can you show me 8 in a different way using your fingers? And then could you rearrange your fingers one more way to show me 8? I reckon you've been able to show me 5 and 3, which makes 8. I think you've probably shown me 4 and 4, which makes 8. And maybe as you move one finger from one hand across next to the other hand, you've been able to show me 6 and 2, all ways of making 8. Okay, we're going to practice some more subitizing now. This is looking at numbers and being able to quickly say how many is there. So how many are there? Each bar is worth 5, and so you can see there's 5 and 3, and some of you might remember that 5 and 3 is 8. Or maybe you see that 5 and 5 would make 10, and there are 2 missing, and 10 take away 2 is 8. How many is there? Some of you will remember that 3 lots of 3 is 9. Or maybe you've seen a 3 and a 3, which is 6, and then 3 more. That's 9. How many is here? Again, maybe you've seen a 3 and a 3, which is 6, and then 1 more is 7. How many is there? Again, perhaps you've seen a 3 and a 3, which is 6, and 1 more is 7. How many is here? Maybe you've seen a 4 along the top, and a 2 and a 2, which makes 4, and so you've got a 4 and a 4, which makes 8. How many is here? Well, you can see a 4 and a 3. Now 4 and 4 is 8. So 4 and 3 must be 7. How many is here? 6, you can see there, and 2 more is 8. And then finally, how many is here? Well, again, I reckon you know that 4 and 4 is 8, and so 4 and 3 must be 7. Well done. Okay, we're going to practice counting. We're going to count in silly voices. Close your eyes if you're confident. We're going to start on 7, and we're going to count in a laughing voice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sounded a bit like a horse then. Now we're going to count down from 20, and we're going to do it as if we were very, very sad. Okay. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. If you didn't miss out 13, that's the number that often gets missed out when we're counting back. We're now going to count on from 11, and we're going to go as quickly as we can up to 20. So close your eyes if you're confident. We're starting on 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe you beat me there. And then we're going to count down from 18, and we're going to whisper this now. So counting down from 18, close your eyes if you're confident. Don't forget number 13. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. Okay, which numbers are missing? I'm going to send them across quite quickly at first. Look for the gap. Which numbers are missing? There are 3 numbers missing. Maybe you spotted some. Look for the gap again. What number would go in there? Think about the numbers just before it. I'm going to slow it down. Maybe even count the numbers to help you. Have you worked out the first one, the number that comes after 8? And then the number that comes after 12, and then the number that comes after 14. Okay, we'll do them together. And I'm going to count them to help me. That sometimes helps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the missing number. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Okay, can you tell me what number have I made? Can you just say, without counting the holes, what number have I made? Or maybe you recognise that there's a 10 there, and there's 3. So I've made the number 13, because 13 is just a 10, a cheeky 10 hiding at 0, and a 3. Okay. Now what numicon would I need to make 19? What numicon would I need? Maybe you can tell someone. What numbers would I need? Well, for 19, I would need a 10 and a 9. And that would make 19, because 19 is just 1 10 and a 9. What numbers would I need? What numicon numbers would I need for 15? Well, I would need a 10 and a 5, because that would add up to 15. Remember, this 1 here, it's not a 1, is it? It's a cheeky 10 hiding at 0. So that's worth 10, 1 10, and this is worth 5. What numicon numbers would you need for this number, for 11? Yeah, you'd need a 10, and you'd need a 1. Because in the number 11, this 1 is, remember, is a cheeky 10. It's not really just a 1, and this is a 1. So we've got a 10 and a 1, which makes 11. And then finally, what numicon numbers will I need for this number, for 12? Well, I'd need a 10, and I'd need a 2, because remember, for the last time, this 1 is not a 1. It's a 10, a cheeky 10 hiding at 0. And then 10 and 2 more is 12. Okay, right, we're going to try it for the last time, counting in 2s. So these red ones are worth 2, I'm going to say. Let's see. So 1, 2 is 2, another 2 is 4, another 2 is 6, 2 more is 8, another 2 is 10, 2 more is 12, 2 more than that is 14, add on 2 more you get to 16, count on 2 more you get to 18, and another 2 gets you to 20. Maybe throwing out 2 fingers, let's count in steps of 2. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done. Remember, there are videos online on the summer activities YouTube channel. Okay, let's count in steps of 10. 1 10 is 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, add 10 more you get to 40, 5 tens are 50, 6 tens are 60, 7 tens are 70, 8 tens are 80, 9 tens are 90, and 10 tens are 100. Right, let's count in steps of 10. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, and now finally we're going to count in steps of 5, which I think is the hardest. But if you remember that numbers that are in the steps of 5, that are multiples of 5, we call them, they always end in a 5 or a 0. So 1 5 is 5, add another 5 is 10. 5 more is 15, another 5 is 20. 5 more is 25, add another 5, it's 30. 5 more is 35, another 5 is 40. Add 5 more is 45, another 5 is 50. Okay, let's count those 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done. Okay, finally I'm going to end with a tricky word problem. Can you work this one out? You might want to write it down maybe, or Mum or Dad could write it down for you and you can think about it. I'm thinking of a number, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. I split my number into 5s and I get 8 of them. So I split my number into 5s and I get 8 of them. What number was I thinking of at the start? So I'm thinking of a number, I split it into 5s and I get 8 of them. What number was I thinking of? Okay, good luck with that.